Hi guys, so I'm here today with Chris from Bosch and we're going to be having a look at the GSB 18V-65 Combi Drill. It's a really impressive drill, but Chris, what sets this apart?
Okay, well, if we start with the fundamentals, this is a brushless combi with a maximum torque of 65 Newton meters. It has a soft torque of 31 Newton meters of torque, giving you a maximum drilling diameter of wood of 38 millimeters. It has a all metal auto lock chuck. It, as a combination drill driver, has 3 modes: percussion, drilling and screw driving, with a 20 torque setting wheel on the front, 2-speed gearbox, a variable speed trigger and 2 LEDs, which is ideal for working in dark conditions. One of the main features of this product that really differentiates it from many others in the range is this machine also features Bosch KickBack Control.
What is so good about KickBack Control? Why should you have that on a combi?
Well, if you're drilling in certain substrates and you hit something like a nail or a stone, or maybe even a bit of rebar, if you're unfortunate, if you're drilling in some concrete, the machine or the drill bit might catch, and then you'll get something called reactive torque, which means the drill will start to spin out of control. And obviously your wrist can only do a certain amount of rotation before potentially breaking, or you might swing around and hit yourself in the face, which isn't ideal. This machine has a sensor in there which detects any rotation which is out of control and will automatically switch off the machine. That can really help reduce the chance of injury. One feature on this machine as well is the fact that you're able to select KickBack Control on and off. That's ideal if you're working in a high drag application such as hole sawing, where KickBack Control might kick in all the time and that might might not be wanted. Feature here is if the KickBack Control was selected off by the user, you can take the battery off and pop it back on. It'll automatically default on for additional safety.
Okay, and so people that might already have a combi drill and they're looking to upgrade, they might be thinking, oh, should I really get one? What would you say to them if they're thinking, I don't think I need that for me personally?
Yeah. Look, as drills get more and more powerful, you realise that your arms don't get any stronger. Even if you go down the gym and you lift a lot, the bones in your wrists, for example, they cannot get any stronger, and the bones are very small and can actually get easily damaged. Again, remember the rotations are quite limited. It doesn't need a lot of torque to potentially break those bones. And think about strains as well. That's very easy to happen. And if you break your arm or you strain your wrist, you're going to be off work for weeks, if not months.
So it's obviously important to have these really great safety features in your drill, because you use your hands, you use your wrists all the time for your jobs. You could end up off of work. It's a really, really impressive combi drill. It's the GSB 18V-65 from Bosch, and it's available now at its.co.uk.